Tennessee Department of Human Services is updating work requirements for SNAP benefits, and it's something that has not only recipients but some advocates worried.
Yeah, they fear the changes could leave some families struggling to put food on the table. Aaron Cantrell explains the new rules.
Signe Anderson with the Tennessee Justice Center says calls are pouring in about a new federal law changing SNAP work requirements.
To put a work requirement in front of being able to get food doesn't help people to work. It only takes SNAP benefits away.
The new rules apply if you're between 18 and 65, don't have a disability, and don't live with children under 14. The Tennessee Department of Human Services says in those cases, customers can only receive SNAP for 3 months in a 3-year period unless they work, volunteer, or join a job training program at least 20 hours a week. Otherwise, they risk losing benefits. One woman asked us not to show her face so she could share her story about these changes without worrying about judgment from others. She says she's worried about what happens when her youngest child turns 15 next year.
Yes, I'm worried a lot because without that, like, what do we have to depend on? Like, it's going to be nothing.
She says finding a job is harder than it sounds, like transportation challenges and a past felony record. Anderson says she's also worried about veterans and grandparents raising grandchildren.
I heard from a grandparent a few weeks ago who has 5 grandkids, all over the age of 14. It wasn't in their plan to care for their 5 grandkids, but they're doing it because that's what grandparents do. And they're 60, and so now they're expected to go back into the workforce, and that'll be really challenging. And they rely on SNAP to feed their kids.
She believes the changes will put more pressure on already strained food banks. Anderson says her nonprofit is working to help families understand the new rules and navigate the uncertainty ahead. In Nashville, Aaron Cantrell, News Channel 5.
Good organization to reach out to if you have questions. We want to let you know there are exemptions, like if you're pregnant, disabled, or in a treatment program. Those who believe they qualify for an exemption are encouraged to upload their verification documents to DHS. We have that information at newschannel5.com.